Okay, we're back. Uh, hard to cook. I've been seeing that people just eat straight butter. Yeah, they just eat butter. And I'm like, but that's nasty. No hate to like anyone that eats butter, but I don't like it. Wee, wee. Is it necessary to make the sounds? Yes, very much. Else it's not fun. You're just slathering butter. And that's not fun. There's so many chances of my fingers touching the pan. And they already have. Didn't burn now. What do I do?
You can use a utensil to take it out.
The knife. Come here. Oh, that did work.
Alright, let's see over here. It says, add the eggs to the skillet with the silicone spatula. Gently scrub the bottom and side of the skillet until the eggs begin to clump together and the spatula leaves a clean trail on the bottom of the pan. This should take about 1.5
Is it
to
really that
2.5
hard to make
minutes,
eggs?
depending on your stove. Don't ever leave food on the stove unattended.
Sure. Okay, do I pour it in now?
Yes.
Oh, it's so goopy. And it has like black spots. Yeah. Wow, that's a lot of egg. Who's eating all this? Not me, I already had breakfast. Woo! I'm not gonna talk about that. Yo, there's pepper on the ear. Wait, where's the actual yeah, sorry. I'm gonna do this one. They're the same thing. It's not that, is it? Which one is it?
So we need to wait until it makes the the clump. So we have to wait.
Look.
Did it start?
Yeah, look.
And then you can do it.
Oh my gosh, what the heck? It's already clumping up. Like poop. It looks like poop. It looks like white poop.
When clumps has formed, just like we did, turn the heat down too low to prevent eggs from burning.
Okay, bro. Okay. Is that so much? Yeah. Okay. I've never made eggs this hard before. Why is it so difficult?
If you are using an electric stove, move the pan to a second burn that is set to low heat. Electric stoves do not respond immediately to temperatures change, so your eggs are more likely to brown or burn if you use the same burn for both temperatures.
Honey, why are we doing all that? I already set it to low. What is happening? This is the most mad I've been making scrambled eggs. Why is it so difficult?
It says gently fold the eggs while they continue to cook. To fold eggs, place the spatula under a portion of the egg. Then gently flip the portion over. Continue to fold the eggs until they are fully cooked but still slightly wet. About 30 to 60 seconds.
I'm mad at the book. You don't think I know?
Always turn off the stove and oven when you are done cooking.
Not really.
Once the eggs are done, slide them onto a plate and season to taste with additional salt and pepper.
I'm sorry. I feel bad because some people don't know how to make scrambled eggs. If you don't know how to make scrambled eggs, that is okay. But I've made scrambled eggs before, so this is making me mad. Because it does not have this many steps, I'll tell you right now.
If you want cheesy egg, prepare as above, how we just prepare it, but add 2 tablespoons of cheese to the egg mixture before pouring into the pan. If you want veggie eggs, prepare as above, but add 2 tablespoons of diced mushrooms, onions, tomato, and spinach to the egg mixture before putting into the pan. I believe Joy doesn't want veggie eggs.
No, that's nasty. Ooh. I like just normal eggs with tahini. So good. Oh. What? What? It's done?